The second item on the agenda is introduction, but I would like to crave the indulgence of the members because of the time challenge that we have. We on the agenda. The next item on the agenda is the brief remark by the chairman of the Senate Committee on FCT. I should go for it today. No, I'll be fast. On FCT, Vice Chairman and honorable members of the House of Reps Committee on FCT, the Honorable Minister, the Honorable Minister of State, Permanent Secretary, Executive Secretary, FCDA, Mandate Secretary, Directors, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure and honor to welcome you all to the joint session of the Senate and House of Reps Committee on FCT for the purpose of the FCT component of the 2024 National Appropriation Bill. The FCT component of the 2024 appropriation, 2024 appropriation is the sum of 17,109,746,531 naira 00. However, there is multilateral loan secured by the federal government to the tune of 48,152,880,105 naira, specifically for Great Abuja water supply. Distinguished colleagues, honorable members, the Honorable Minister FCT will present to this joint sitting the FCT component of the 2024 National Appropriation Bill, as well as the budget performance of the FCT National Budget component of the year 2023. The performance of the 2023 appropriation will provide us with a guide towards considering the 2024 appropriation bill in respect of the FCT budget proposal. Distinguished colleagues, honorable members, our committees are normally carrying out oversight functions before the preparation of budget. However, time constraint had not permitted us, but we shall carry out our oversight function as soon as possible. Distinguished senators, honorable members, as you are aware, the meeting here today is in fulfillment of the constitutional requirement of the National Assembly that vested such responsibility to our two committees of the Senate and House of Reps. Therefore, on behalf of my highly respected distinguished senators and members of the House of Representatives of the committee, I assure you that the Honorable Minister's commitment towards the achievement of this mandate of the FCT administration. I also assure the Honorable Minister and his team that in discharging our responsibilities, we shall be very transparent, fair, guided by the Constitution, other rules, and the Parliamentary Convention. With these few words, I wish to invite the Honorable Minister to make his presentation. Thank you very much. on the national budget for the FCT, we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Out of the 6 items, one, that is the water project, is funded through multilateral loan. So I don't consider this as part of the item that we will deliberate on. Already the loan has been secured, and what we have is only about 5 items for you to present to this committee. Thank you. Over to you, Honorable Minister.
This committee, members of my delegation, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Chairman, let me, on behalf of FCT, thank you and your colleagues for the opportunity for us to be here today to present our 2024 national budget. Let me also thank you for trying to appreciate the time because of the constraints we have. And on that basis, I'm going to present my speech. I believe that it has been circulated to members of this committee. Let me thank distinguished members of this committee once more for the opportunity you have given to us today. No doubt that Federal Capital Territory makes 2 yearly appearances at the National Assembly before the 2 oversighting committees to defend its budget. One is the national appropriation, and secondly is the statutory appropriation. For today, we're here for the national appropriation, and by the grace of God, we'll be coming back for the statutory appropriation. Mr. Chairman, the performance of the 2023 national budget is provided in page 2 of my speech, so that I don't need to bore you reading from one page to the other. It's provided in page 2. What was allocated in 2023 Appropriation Act was 15.4 billion, and what has been released is 8 billion naira, representing about 52%. So we're still expecting at least 7 billion. So it has to do with the performance level of 2023, and we have tabulated in all the assignments undertaken with this amount. So page 3 provides all the items and the money released to those items. But of more importance today is the 2024 budget. Mr. Chairman, page 4, we allocated 17 billion. 17 billion. And we have itemized 5 areas where the 17 billion will be utilized. We talked about accountable funding for Greater Abuja Water, which is 5 billion naira. And of course, to continue with the project which have been abandoned since 2005, the Cultural Center Millennium Tower. Of course, the ongoing job of rehabilitation of the Federal Secretariat, which was awarded to Julius Berger. And also number 4, to continue with the completion of the 5 president residence. And then, of course, settlement of residential and office accommodation for international organizations in FCT. It's self-explanatory. 17 billion is what's allocated to us for national budget. So I don't know what to say again, but to say that, help us to pass it. Help us to pass it. and also help us that when it is passed, it is released. So I hereby submit to you that is what we have. Thank you and God bless you.
Total budget of 17 billion is divided to just 6 projects. And from the information submitted by the Honorable Minister, all the 6 projects are ongoing projects. And the amounts allocated to these 6 projects will not be even enough to complete the ongoing projects. So, to me, this is less than supplementary budget for FCT. But I want to remind members, FCT operates dual budget. We have the national budget, which is a small cake from the national budget, and we have the main budget of the FCT, which is the statutory budget. I want to urge members, considering the fact that the budget is too big, just 17 billion. I know in the next few days, the budget that we'll be expecting from the FCT will be in hundreds of billions. Now what they are presenting is just 17 billion. And all the projects are ongoing projects, with the exception of one which is financed through multilateral loan. I want to plead to my colleagues, if you have no objection, because these are ongoing projects. There is no single new project, and these projects, the amount that is being allocated will not complete all the 5 projects. So for us to take our time to deliberate on this, I think we are just wasting our time. If you have no objection, we will ask the minister to take a bow and go. Carry.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.